Okay guys, this is going to be a video of the Emerson Botanica ceiling fan. This once again is in my aunt's house, but this time in her bedroom. So this is a very unique fan. I think these are one of Emerson's harder to find models. I've never actually seen one in person before. It's the first time I've ever seen one. And it's got some problems. It wobbles a little bit, and I believe the flywheel's going bad, or the capacitor. It goes really slow on the speeds, and it has a very short spin down time, so it might need to be oiled too. But I don't know. Here's the light. It's on a Lutron control. Those dimmers, as you can see. And I was reading from the information about this fan that I acquired from Hanson Wholesale that if you have the Air Design remote, you can actually wire in a separate wire that controls the uplight, which I thought was rather cool. I don't know why they didn't put the uplight on, but they didn't. And this light actually is a three-way. If you pull it once, two lights come on, the other two come on the second pull, and then all three pulls, all lights come on. I can't show you that because it's too high up, but go ahead and start this one off on low first. Start that up a little bit. Okay. This one's really slow. It's low speed. I'll go ahead and turn it to medium. And here's high. Yeah, just a little wobbly. I can feel this one. And I'll go ahead and get a spin down time. Spins down rather fast. I can actually get it on camera. Might be a flywheel problem too, because this one actually has the Emerson K-55 stack motor, which is a really high quality motor, but sometimes the flywheels do fail, considering that they're rubber. And this one used to run 24/7 on low, and it really doesn't move fast, so I'm sure it got rather hot in there. But yeah, so that is my aunt's Emerson Botanica ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.